subscribers and viewers. Yeah, man. Just share this one with them, man. Some people burn down the shop and feel say them have to escape the wrath of the devil. When the devil done with them, you know, them have to wish they never born. Almighty God. Now reward nobody of them a disaster, you know, when them pour down for me. But so when the devil done with them, the devil have a work for them. Yeah, because them burn down the shop and feel like say, a God work them a do. A devil work them a do. And the devil have a reward them. The devil have a reward them and work for them. Because when the devil ready, you know, he just dump them a one part. So make them feel say them have to escape with what them do. Them not have to escape because the devil have a work for them and the Almighty God, and the Almighty God make them do what them do. And the devil, so I tell them say, them better come in and do what them have to do. Because them not have to escape. What them do, Almighty God have a work for them with the devil because them not have to escape. Almighty God now have mercy upon them when the devil have poured on the wrath upon them. Because an Almighty God going at them make them do this. A devil going at them and make them gas my place, pay a man for gas my place. I feel like I don't know how to do it. A wrong man them a play with the Almighty God warrior. So I feel like so me I go upon my face and me I go ball. They make me get stronger. And the devil have a reward, you know, and we now get to it. We now get to it, we now do. So you better look into yourself. We now get to it, you know, because the devil have a reward, you know, what we want to do. Because Almighty God show me already. When I burn down the place and feel like so me have a suffer. The more I get stronger, because the Almighty God bless me. You better know that. So share and subscribe to Unzy YouTube channel. Love. The Lord bless me.